Hi, it's Dan here at FHESolutions.com. Today we're going to test the model 4812 grinder from Hobart. It's 115 volts, so you can just plug it in anywhere and you're ready to go. So let's see how she works. Puts it in there just to puts it through just about as fast as I can get it in there. So there we go, pound and a half in less than a minute. That's what we got. It's a 4812 is the model again. It's working great. It's here in Des Moines at FHESolutions.com. Check our website or give us a call at 800-308-5033. Thanks.